So today we will be learning about special types of roots. There are 5 different types of roots: water storing roots, propagating roots, aerial roots, buttress roots, and food storage roots. So now we will be learning about them one by one. Water storing roots. These are roots that collect large amount of water during rainy season so that they can use this water during dry summer months, such as pumpkin and gourd are examples of water storing roots. Propagating roots. Such roots have buds close to the surface of the ground. These buds can grow into new independent plants, as in the case of cherry trees and strawberry plants. So as you can see in the picture, you see in strawberry plant the stems, it is near the ground or it is touching the ground, the soil, and in those stems buds are present. From those buds they have the capability to grow into a new plant. So that is why it is said that cherry trees and strawberry plants, they have propagating roots. Aerial roots. You may have seen monkeys swinging on aerial roots of a banyan tree or swings set up on these strong roots. Okay. As the banyan tree lives for a long time, it needs new roots to prop it up and absorb moisture. Such roots start growing from the branches reaching the ground. Ficus and peepal tree also grow aerial roots as they age. So aerial roots, they grow above the ground. You can see them with your eyes. You can see in the picture the stems that are hanging, actually those are roots. Okay, so these roots are used to make swing also, for swinging purpose. Also monkeys, they jump from one tree to another with the help of these aerial roots. Now so these roots, they helps to absorb moisture for the trees to grow more and more. That is why these type of trees, they live longer. Okay, they live for many years. So these are few more pictures of trees having aerial roots, such as ficus tree, peepal tree. You can see them, you can see the roots, it is hanging. Buttress roots. These are large roots growing on all sides of a tall tree. They are found in the forest where soil is poor, so roots do not go deep inside. They prevent the trees from falling over and help them to take in more nutrients. So as you can see in the picture, the roots, it is spread all over the area. This type of roots does not go deep into the soil. Instead, they spread all over the area so that it could gather more and more moisture and nutrients for the trees. Also, these buttress roots, they help the tree to stand erect so that it does not fall easily. Okay, so here you can see few more trees which have buttress roots. Example of buttress roots are mangrove and bay fig trees. So mangrove, these trees, they grow in areas where water is more, where the soil is very soft. You can see in the left hand side, this picture is of mangrove tree. Okay, so the next root is food storage roots. Some roots also help to store food. These roots store excess food produced by the plants in the form of starch and sugar. Such roots find their way into our kitchens and dinner plates. carrot, radish, beetroot, sugar beet, yam, tapioca, and turnip are a few examples. So, basically, we eat these roots as a vegetables. Okay, we eat these roots. So, that is why they are called food storage roots. Roots that can be stored over long durations help people to tide over periods of drought when there is a shortage of foods. So these type of roots, no, it can be stored for a longer period of time. So when there is shortage of foods during drought, when the vegetables cannot be farmed, cultivated, people does not have any other food, they eat these roots which are stored. Okay, so here are the pictures of the examples I said: turnip, yam, then tapioca, radish, etc. So this is all about special types of roots that we came across.